How to easily model a splined connection in SolidWorks. Hi, everyone. Welcome to this SolidWorks mechanical design tutorial. Today, I'll guide you through the process of creating a 3D model of a splined connection in SolidWorks. We'll work with a shaft and design a sprocket featuring a spline. Let's dive into the steps. We'll use a minor diameter fit based on a 28 mm diameter, with tolerances defined according to standards. For this demonstration, I've selected the sliding mounting type with shaft tolerance F7 and hole tolerance H7. We will use this information when creating the drawing. Step-by-step process. Add the sprocket to the assembly. Insert the sprocket model into your assembly and create mates for proper alignment. Prepare the shaft model. Open the shaft model and temporarily remove all chamfers and cuts on the spline section for easier editing. Edit the sprocket component. Return to the assembly. Activate the Edit Component tool on the sprocket and use the Cavity tool. Select the shaft as the design component and confirm. Finish creating the spline. Open the sprocket model again to inspect the spline geometry. Add chamfers and adjust the major diameter to finalize the spline design. After checking the model, everything looks good. Now we can create a detailed drawing for production that includes all necessary specifications. If you'd like to learn how to create production-ready drawings with dimensions and tolerances, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.